Okay, so these are the pucks that I showed you earlier on the roof. So what they do is they put this piece, it actually just kind of connects to this guy right here. And then this is the lag bolt. It is probably, I don't know, 5-6 inches, something like that. They just put it through the middle right here, which also has gaskets all the way through. And that is actually what goes into your rafter. And then what they do is they come back with their sealant, inject it into this hole, which fills this whole cavity and starts to ooze out a little bit on the other side, and that's how they know they filled it. And that prevents any leaks or anything. And then these top guys right here, there's 3 extra screw holes. And those are what they actually attach their leveling foot into. So they'll bolt this leveling foot into whichever one of these works out best for them. And that's what they actually attach the panel into. It just grips right on the side of it. And also that bar that I showed you while I was on the roof is actually this guy right here. And that's how they can connect either panels together or the side skirts, really all of it. So what we'll do is I'll show you here. So here this leveling foot actually will connect something similar to this. And these feet actually just connect right in there. And that's what holds these things super, super tight. And they can just level it as they need to. And then these, can see how it's kind of just a straight way. What they can do is put it on here. They have a tool that turns this, will latch it onto that. So it holds it on, and they can do 2 panels, and depending on like the gap, it's all pre-marked on here that they need. Super nicely finished piece. And that's how they'll connect all those together. So between these and the leveling feet and everything else, these are actually strong enough to walk on. I mean, I wouldn't advise it, but you technically can. Since there is no, this actually makes it rock solid and super, super sturdy. So I don't know, maybe in a future video we'll walk on them for fun. I don't know, we'll see what happens. But technically you can if you ever needed to. So it's really impressive how they can do all this with no. Most all other companies are using, and again that raises the panels. It really doesn't look that great, this system with just these on your roof and attached to that, and then these attaching panels and everything just looks much cleaner. It's a lot of parts though. Like whoever designed this is pretty ingenious to have done all this. So props to you, Tesla. I really enjoy it. Hopefully that answered some questions for you guys. I was very curious to know how these installed, so this definitely helped clear up a lot for me too. If you do have any other questions though, definitely put them in the comment section, and I will try to answer them as best I can or get help answering them so that we can get you guys the correct information. So the way they actually connect these is they do it kind of like per string, and we have 9 strings on the roof, which are comprised between of I believe 3 to 9 or 10 panels a piece. And those all get run to the inverters and combined at some of the inverters. So some of the inverters does a few strings and whatnot. So this is the minus, this is the positive. Obviously they would never connect them on one panel because your power would go nowhere. So what they do is on a string is they connect the different panels, make sure male into female, and then what they'll do is they'll wire that, drop the wires down to the inverters. But yeah, it's pretty cool how this all goes together. It's pretty interesting. It does obviously say on here, do not connect under load because it could probably arc or something, not fun. So wouldn't advise against that. I don't think I'll ever even play with it. So basically it though, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. One thing though, I'd recommend you check out my Instagram and my Twitter. I'll go ahead and link it down below. That way you can follow us there because I do post a lot of updates throughout the day too as they are happening. So definitely check that out if you are interested. Also, if you're looking for a Tesla, check out our website, teslainventory.com. And if you're looking for a new or inventory Model S or X, feel free to use our referral code. It's down in the description below and at the top of our website. Using it will actually get you free unlimited supercharging, which is currently the only way to do so. It's an awesome perk that we use all the time. And also the referral code does work for solar. It'll actually add 5 years to your solar warranty, which we are actually taking advantage of. As always though, thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Go and click here to subscribe, here for some other videos. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.